Is the OtterBox Commuter case going to be worth it for your iPhone 16? Let's find out. So first off, I'm going to go over all the protective features. If you look right here on the lens area, you notice that you have that pop out piece here. That is called bezeling. Basically what that means is that there's a piece popping out over those camera lenses so that if you do drop your phone camera lens side down, those camera lenses are going to stay nice and protected. It's going to hit that pop out piece instead. The case is also dual layered, so on the interior or the first layer you have a nice rubber material, and then on the outside or the second layer you have that nice hard piece or that hard backing. And you also do get raised edges here on the screen side, so if you drop your phone screen side down you have a lot more protection because those raised edges are going to hit that surface first. If you turn it over, look at the bottom here, you also do get that charging hole plug, so you can unflip that up or you can unplug that. Charge your phone. Once you're done charging your phone, plug it back up, and now it's going to prevent any water or debris from getting in your charging hole. And the case is MagSafe too, so if you take off that first layer, you have a hidden MagSafe ring, so it's going to be compatible with any MagSafe accessories that you may have. OtterBox has always been one of my favorite cases for all of my phone models that I've gotten in the past couple of years, and even though it is more on the heavy duty side, it's still slim enough to use every single day, put it in your pockets, going to be really convenient.